If your boss offered you $5,000 to quit your job, would you take it? Tonight, it's exactly what a major tri-state employer is doing.
They say it's in the workers' and the company's best interest. 9 on Your Side reporter Scott Wegener checks out this unusual offer.
To some, it might sound like a dumb idea.
We offer our employees a program we hope they never take, up to $5,000 to quit.
That's right. Online retail giant Amazon.com says they will pay their employees to quit.
We do it because we want people working at Amazon who want to be here, and in the long term, we believe staying somewhere you don't want to be isn't healthy for our employees or for the company.
Kelly Cheeseman is a spokesperson for Amazon, which has a sprawling complex in Hebron. She says there really is a corporate interest in the happiness of their employees.
We make the offer because we want to encourage our employees to take a moment and think about what they really want. And if that's no longer to be at Amazon, we want to support them in that.
Nationwide, job satisfaction is as common as stale office coffee. A 2013 University of Phoenix survey found 55% of working adults are interested in changing careers. For workers just in their 20s, that number soars to 78%. But paying them to leave?
I've never heard anything quite like it before, but I think it's a pretty good idea.
Tim Ammer thinks Amazon may be on to something.
If people do want to move on, this gives them the encouragement to do it, and I think it's best for both sides.
Would he take such an offer?
I would not.
But people like Kristen Thomas say jobs aren't there for you to like.
Does anybody really love their job? I don't think so. I think at the end of the day, it's what you do so you can survive and live a comfortable lifestyle.
Scott Wegener, 9 on Your Side, Cincinnati.
Heroin deaths are skyrocketing.